Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. We have here in this car here Ford Explorer 2013. If you notice here, everything look okay. The parking light working. That parking light is working. Now when we come here in the back, the parking light is working. The plate light here, nothing is working. You see the plate light here, nothing is working. We take everything out. What happened is we come in the back, power is coming all the way here, but it look like the people in the back here, they put a camera. You see, they put a camera inside and they cut the wire that getting the ground. I believe they pass it to the they pass it to the camera, and they left the one that going here. They, you know, they did not put it. And now when we come to diagnose here, you see here the wire. When we come to diagnose, we don't have no ground coming to the plate light in the back. This is for door lock, unlock. The plate lights is supposed to be here in this area, camera plate light. So please subscribe, share and like. If you are trying to put any aftermarket lights, please try to be sure that you're not gonna mess up with original stuff. So this is the cause of the electrical problem in this car. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.